Alright, so we're gonna be looking at epic cool images as I've looked up. This is not epic cool, this is cool epic. This is cool and epic. This is Pokemon cool epic. Everything is backwards, but that looks pretty gamer. That has naughty words in it. Ooh, that looks pretty gamer. That looks pretty epic. That is so epic. You wanna know why it's epic? It's only epic because it's Epic Night Battle Royale. You know what else is epic? This is pretty epic. Ooh, that looks pretty epic. Cool epic face, level 99, gunshot, bang, punch. So yeah. Epic cool. Hey, that's the first picture. It's epic cool. Epic cool, epic cool, epic cool. Now that, ooh, that's something funny about that. Hold up. Alright, so, you know how here, Angry Birds Epic, it's epic and stuff. Well here, look, Angry Birds Epic for mobile or something. This item isn't available in your country. So yeah, if you want to play this game, you can't be in the epic place that I live in. It's epic, by the way. By the way, it's epic. Here's the epic video. Epic. That's the epic video, by the way. Epic. See, it just said epic. That just means it's epic. That just means it's epic, alright? Alright, so yeah. That's epic. Goodbye.